Have a good morning, have a good day. Do your very best as we walk and play. Have a good morning, have a good day. Be kind and helpful with a smile on your face. Everybody clap your hands, everybody clap your hands. With all your friends, clap your hands. Have a good morning, have a good day.
Hello my dear children, I am Nikita ma'am, and today you all will learn a new concept, and that is full and empty. Do you know, kids, what does the word full mean? Full mean to contain something in it. And what does the word empty mean? Empty mean to contain nothing in it. The meaning of full is bhara hua and the meaning of empty is khali. The meaning of full is bhara hua and the meaning of empty is khali. Full and empty are opposites of each other. To get this concept more clear, let's see some flashcards of it.
Here in this first picture, you can see there are two popcorn buckets. One popcorn bucket is empty. There is no popcorn in it. And the other bucket is full of popcorn. So this bucket is full and the other is empty. Next picture is of two kids. Both the kids are having jars in their hand. The kid that is having candies in his jar is a full jar. The jar is full of candies. And the other kid which is having no candies in his jar is an empty jar. Now here in this picture you can see there are two glasses. One glass which does not contain water in it is an empty glass, and the other glass which contains water in it is a full glass. In this picture, you can see there are two bowls. One bowl does not contain food in it, so it is an empty bowl. And the other, which contains food in it, is a full bowl. Now, here in this picture, you can see there are two baskets. One basket does not contain cherries in it, so it is an empty basket. And the other basket which contains cherries in it is a full basket. The basket is full of cherries.
In the flashcards, we have seen that if an object contains something in it, it is known as full, and if the object contains nothing in it, it is known as empty.
So now children, tell me which is an empty basket and which is a full basket? Yes, the small girl having a basket is an empty basket, and the big girl having a basket is a full basket. The basket is full of flowers.
So today we have learned about full and empty. I hope you enjoyed learning. Bye.